C# is a versatile and powerful programming language developed by Microsoft. It is widely used for creating various types of applications, ranging from desktop software to web applications and even games. Writing a C# programming assignment is an excellent way to deepen your understanding of the language while honing your problem-solving and coding skills. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential steps and best practices to craft a well-structured, efficient, and professional C# programming assignment. Understanding the assignment requirements. The first and most crucial step in writing a C# programming assignment is to thoroughly understand the requirements. Read the assignment prompt carefully and make sure you understand the expected outcome, input specifications, constraints, and any specific guidelines provided by your instructor. If there are any ambiguous points, seek clarification from your instructor to avoid any misunderstandings later on. Selecting an appropriate project. Based on the assignment requirements, you will need to choose an appropriate C# project that aligns with the task. The project could be a console application, a Windows Forms application, a web application using ASP.NET, or even a game using Unity. Understanding the nature of your project is essential as it will determine the framework and structure of your code. Planning and design. Before diving into writing code, it's crucial to spend time planning and designing your solution. Sketch out the overall structure of your program, identify the main components, and define their relationships. Pseudocode can be beneficial at this stage to help you visualize the logical flow of your application. Setting up the development environment. Ensure that you have a suitable integrated development environment (IDE) for C# development, such as Visual Studio Code, or JetBrains Rider. Set up your project and configure any necessary dependencies to get started with coding. Writing clean and readable code. Writing clean, readable, and well-organized code is vital for any programming assignment. Use meaningful variable and function names, adhere to a consistent indentation style, and follow the C# coding conventions. Consider using comments to explain complex logic and to make your code more understandable to others. Implementing the main logic. Start by implementing the main logic of your application based on the design you created earlier. Break down the problem into smaller subproblems and tackle each one systematically. Use loops, conditional statements, and other control structures effectively to achieve the desired functionality. Error handling and exception management. A robust C# program should handle errors and exceptions gracefully. Use try-catch blocks to catch and handle exceptions that might occur during program execution. Proper error handling will prevent your program from crashing and provide meaningful feedback to the user. Testing your solution. Thoroughly test your C# application to ensure that it meets all the requirements and produces the correct output for various test cases. Write unit tests to cover different scenarios and edge cases. Utilize debugging tools available in your IDE to identify and fix any issues that arise during testing. Optimizing performance. If your assignment involves dealing with large datasets or computationally intensive tasks, consider optimizing the performance of your code. Use algorithms and data structures efficiently to reduce processing time and memory usage. Profiling tools can help you identify performance bottlenecks in your program. Documentation. Documenting your code is crucial for better understanding and maintainability. Provide clear explanations of your program's functionality and the rationale behind your design choices. Include comments in your code where necessary, and write a detailed README file that explains how to compile, run, and use your application. Submission and final checks. Before submitting your assignment, conduct a final review to ensure that all requirements have been met, your code is clean and well commented, and your documentation is comprehensive. Double-check that you have included all necessary files and that your submission adheres to any specific submission guidelines provided by your instructor. Conclusion. Writing a C# programming assignment can be an exciting and rewarding experience that enhances your coding skills and deepens your understanding of the language. By following the steps and best practices outlined in this guide, you can craft a well-structured, efficient, and professional C# assignment that impresses both your instructor and yourself. Remember, practice and perseverance are key to becoming a proficient C# programmer, so keep coding and learning.